Hi guys, today's video is a would you rather crochet edition video. I have a list here with me with all the would you rather questions written down, so you'll see me looking down a lot. So number 1, would you rather crochet with the same color of yarn forever or never use your favorite color again? I think for me, I'll just never use my favorite color again, because my favorite color is just one color. It's not that deep. It's not my favorite color to the point that I want to crochet with it every single day of my life. No. Would you rather use a hook that's slightly too big or one that's slightly too small for every project? Based on my own experience, I feel like slightly too small is better. I feel like it's easier to manage slightly too small. You can just make the stitches looser so that you can manage it better. But with slightly too big, you can't really do much about the fact that the stitches are going to turn out big. So would you rather untangle a massive yarn knot for hours or have to frog your entire project? I will frog my entire project. What do you mean I have to sit down for hours and untangle a ball of yarn? No. And besides, they said entire project. They didn't say it has to be something like a jacket or a blanket. The project can be a purse. I will unravel it. I'll frog the whole thing. Yeah. Would you rather only be able to crochet blankets or only small amigurumis forever? I don't really make amigurumis, but if I have to pick between that and a blanket, between that and making blankets, I think I'll pick that. Yeah, I think I'll pick that than making only no. Blankets are so stressful if you ask me, because it can be so repetitive and so big that you just no. Would you rather crochet with scratchy yarn that's durable or soft yarn that falls apart easily? Scratchy and durable yarn all the way, because that's basically the description of acrylic if you ask me. So scratchy and durable yarn all the way. Would you rather forget to weave in your ends on every project or accidentally skip a stitch in every row? A stitch in every row is not a very well made project. That means you just made absolute rubbish in every row. No. As I would rather forget to weave in my ends. Would you rather crochet for 10 hours straight with no breaks or only be able to crochet for 10 minutes a day? That 10 hours crochet with no break, is it paid labor or what exactly is happening? Why will I sit down for 10 hours no break? Even people that go to work, they get break. What do you mean I'll sit down for 10 hours? I'll take crochet for 10 minutes a day, because that's basically what I do anyway with school and all. Basically just sit down at the end of the day and crochet for like 10 minutes and then sleep. Would you rather crochet in public every day or never crochet outside your home again? Let me crochet in public every day. Let me crochet in public every day. I will do that. There's nothing to be ashamed of in crocheting. Come on, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Would you rather always run out of yarn just before finishing or overbuy and have too much yarn left? I will overbuy. When I'm done and I have so much leftover yarn, I'll use it and make scrap yarn projects. I will overbuy. Yeah, I would rather. Would you rather only use chunky yarn or only use thread weight yarn forever? I mean, chunky yarn as in blanket yarn. That's not very. Give me the thread weight yarn like that. Yeah, give me thread weight yarn like that. At least I can still make a lot of garments with it. But chunky yarn, that means I can only make blankets or amigurumis. That's very restrictive. Would you rather make a beautiful project for someone who doesn't appreciate it, or keep a less than perfect project for yourself? I will keep a less than perfect project for myself, because I cannot spend hours on a perfectly beautiful made project just for someone to not appreciate it. No, that's a lot of effort for someone to just not appreciate it. Would you rather crochet with squeaky acrylic yarn, or slippery silk yarn that's hard to control? Give me the acrylic yarn. Give me the acrylic yarn, because using slippery yarn that's hard to that means I'm going to be there for like, it was supposed to take 5 hours to make that, and I'm going to be there for like 10 to 15 hours. I use acrylic yarn anyway, so just give me the acrylic yarn. Would you rather drop your hook under the couch repeatedly, or lose your scissors every time you need it? I would lose my scissors every time I need it, yeah. Because you can use something else to cut. In fact, you can use your hand if you're strong enough and you just pull it. You can cut it. You don't really need the scissors like that. You can use a blade. You can use your teeth if you want. But hook dropping no. That's so every time I have to get up and get the hook again and then continue and then don't drop it. No. Would you rather have your yarn stash mysteriously vanish, or your favorite hook break in half? Let the hook break. Let that hook break. What do you mean my yarn stash should vanish? So if I have, okay, I don't really have a large yarn stash as of now, but let's say I have one of those, well organized shelves upon shelves of yarn, and then it should mysteriously vanish. No, let my favorite hook break. I will buy another one. Yeah, I'll buy another one. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Thank you. Bye.